today is Vlogmas day 1, December 1st, and we will do it this season because we didn't do it last year. I think the last one was in 2020, and I miss it because it was so fun. So we are not going to be vlogging every day because it's going to be impossible with work and everything, but we will probably do a weekly or 3 days. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, it's going to be so fun, babe. Yep. So I went to bed very late last night, like almost 4 a.m. because I was doing a little craft here. I will show you guys. This is, Mace, leave it. This is the DIY project that I'm doing. It's a miniature, I don't know what this is. Miniature book, wait, it's here. It's a book nuke. Book nuke in Wonderland. This is Sunshine Town, and it's my first time doing a project like this, and it's actually very, very fun. I had fun, but it took some time. I think I work on this for 9 p.m., 10 p.m. until 4 a.m. And this is the progress I've made. Not bad for a first timer. So we're just eating bagels this morning. I'm making bagels. So this is breakfast. I'm wearing my pajamas. Mac and I have matching pajamas. He's not wearing his because he's about to go do an open house. But this is my bagel. Show your fit, babe.
What fit?
Yeah, so yeah, show your fit.
I don't have that on.
He doesn't have his pajamas, so that's what he's wearing. And here's some bagels. So yeah, I love these pajamas. I was a little bit worried because they're a little bit pricier for pajamas, but it was on sale, so I decided to go get it. And I usually run hot with pajamas, but this one is pretty cool. It kept us cool the whole night, so I love it. And I love the color. It's very classic, just red, and I feel like I can wear it for more upcoming Christmas. I think I'm gonna take a pause with buying pajamas because I always do buy pajamas every season. But anyway, this is so cute. And then some bagels. I'm gonna go eat, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, I just got back from the gym, and while I was working out, I was thinking really hard. I was thinking long and hard about this whole commitment I'm about to do. I know I mentioned earlier that I'm gonna be doing like a weekly Vlogmas instead of daily, but then I realized that if I do that, it's gonna be intimidating for me when my videos pile up. It's gonna be intimidating to edit and to like transfer the files and all of that. I'm like, I'm not gonna deal with that anymore. So instead of doing that, I'm gonna be doing daily vlogs, and I might not be able to upload every day, but I'm gonna section the vlogs per day until December 25th, just so I have, just to kind of break it down and make it easier. I think that's the way to go, because that's what Vlogmas is all about anyway, to vlog and like do stuff daily. Some days for sure, I know for sure it's gonna be boring. There's not much action. I'm probably gonna be super tired after work because some days I am working, and if I'm working, then I can't edit and I can't upload vlogs. So, or maybe I can upload, but I can't, like, there's not much to my vlogs. It's probably just gonna be eating dinner and all of that stuff. And yeah, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. And also, I feel like it's just easier to edit daily vlogs versus week's worth of vlog. It's gonna be more challenging, and it's gonna be long. It's gonna take a while to upload, so I think this is the way to go. So this is what I'm doing. Mac is still at the open house. It is currently 3:09 p.m. He will not be back until 4. I'm here defrosting some meat. I'm gonna be cooking beef and pork, just so we have dinner in the next 2 days when I'm gonna be working. And then I'm doing laundry. There's a lot of laundry. Hey guys, so I'm back. I washed my hair, blow dried my hair, and now I'm wearing my PJs again. All right, so this is dish number 1. This is beef giniling with carrots, and then barbecue sauce, onion, garlic, and ketchup. And then I have here our salad, just cucumber salad because I love cucumber. And then right now, frying inside the air fryer is the pork belly, which I'm very excited about. Ooh, can't wait for it to get crispy and yum. Trying to finish this project. I'll show you guys. I am close to done, I think. I think I've accomplished the hard part. So it's just assembling and trying to finish it.
Cold enough to make you shiver, but not cold enough to snow. Cold enough to know it's winter, perfect time to say our first hello. Scarves and sweaters bundled up in cotton, knowing names that wouldn't be forgotten, laughing over our own sense of humor underneath the Christmas lights that glow. I'm glad I got to know.
This is the reason why it got a little bit too complicated earlier. So this is the cables. And then I can finally, ta-da! It finally has the light on, but it's still very far from done. Anyway, yeah. All right, guys, that pretty much wraps up our Vlogmas day one.
Day one.
Mac is just having some
pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie.
That you really hate.
I know, I hate pumpkin pie.
Yeah, I'm ending up eating the whole.
He ate the whole,
myself.
yeah. The one from Costco too, so
Costco
really
pie.
big one. So yes, that's about it, you guys. I took a break from my little DIY craft. It's a little too much for me with all the wiring and stuff, but we were able to make it work. Thanks, babe. And then Mace is just eating dinner, and then pretty much we're gonna chill, watch a movie, and I will be doing my real estate class, and I will also be editing this vlog so I can put it out there. And that's about it.
Wake up tomorrow.
Wake up tomorrow morning, and it's gonna be another Vlogmas. It's gonna be day 2. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.
Cold enough to make you shiver, but